Hey guys, I'm Dipti and welcome to my channel Your Kitchen, Your Rule. So today the kitchen looks different for we are at my sister's home and right now we are in her beautiful kitchen and here she is. Meet my sister and my Di, Jigna.
Hello everyone.
Didi, I'm feeling so happy and so lucky that you are on my channel today.
Yes, I'm also happy to see you all and you also.
Well, she is going to make an exotic Punjabi dish for the family gathering. And what we are making?
Paneer Bhurji.
Yes, it's the family favorite dish. I have already shared a video on how to make the gravy, the red gravy. So watch the video if you have not seen that video.
Paneer Bhurji is just not mixing paneer and gravy. There are some tricks and tips. So watch the video till end.
Yes, and by using the tips and tricks, you can make that perfect restaurant style Paneer Bhurji that you have never seen it before. But before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel and also follow me on Insta and Facebook. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members. So, let's start. For the tempering of the Paneer Bhurji, we need some whole spices which will influence the flavor along with the red gravy. We need a smoky hint to the Paneer Bhurji. That's what the recipe calls of. Paneer Bhurji is not only mixing paneer in gravy. There are some techniques. So for that, heat up oil and ghee in a pan. When it heats up, lower the heat. Then add all the whole spices, curry leaves and chilies. We don't want to burn the spices, that's why keep the flame low. Now add butter. It will give a nice flavor. The spices along with the butter will release a wonderful flavor. Now I would suggest you to switch off the flame before sprinkling water on it. Though I have kept the flame on, but please switch off the flame. Then sprinkle water. It will give a kind of smoky hint to the spices, which is the secret of that Paneer Bhurji. Now add the tempering into the red gravy. I have poured red chili powder on the top of the gravy and I am pouring the tempering on the red chili powder. I have already shared the recipe of making red gravy in my previous video. So do check it out and it's a perfect hotel style gravy guys. In fact, you can make it in advance to decrease the efforts. Now add grated paneer and mix. Look at that. The sabzi exactly looks like what we get at hotel, isn't it? And the taste is even better and fresh. I can guarantee you guys, if you will try it once, you will always want to make it at home only. The taste is way more better than the hotel or restaurant. And it's safe too, because we know what we have added in this sabzi. See the sizzling Paneer Bhurji which has smoky tempering that makes it authentic Paneer Bhurji. Now let's serve it. I will also serve it exactly like the hotel style. So guys, our sabzi is ready. Serve it with parathas. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned to my channel to watch more hotel menu recipes with all its tricks and tips. So, do try this recipe at home and I will see you soon with another delicious recipe next week. Till then, bye.